What's popping, gang? Turn me up, don't turn me down, man. Into this, but I'm about to check out XG Howling. This is the geography dance, choreography dance. Uh, I had to check this out because I look like Howling music video. It's fire. The performance, the dance practice, all that is fire. So I gotta check out how they came up with this brilliant dance and this choreography. So let's subscribe, smash the like, get into the video. And let's get it. Let's go. Let's see what's up. Let's see this amazing dance moves. XG Holland. I not lucky want to hear XG Holland again. That between me and you, alright. I want to hear this again.
First we rockin', that's how we roll. Block is hot cause X flip that dome. Tough as diamonds, no sticks and stones.
No, she came clutch with that. Hold up. She jumped over like, hold on, y'all. That been hard. That been crazy. I ain't gonna lie. That right there fire. I like her. That's Coco. That's coconut. Cause look, look how she did this, bro. That's shit fire. Some pressure with that. Nah, that's fine. Nah, no lie.
Block is hot cause X flip that dome. Tough as diamonds, no sticks and stones. That's connected like tic-tac-toe. Lights go out and my pack just grow. Opposition, my prey, my foes. Game of hunger, bring that smoke.
Right.
Don't want no smoke. No. Bangs out, attack on three, that's a man down. I've been throwing these bars like a handout. Too many caps and I be losing head See the red dot. I like to cook so
I see that red dot side hot for my dinner.
Three, that's a man down. I've been throwing these bars like a handout. Too many cap and I be losing head count. See the red dot. I like to cook so I hump on my dinner. My appetite only get bigger and bigger. If I too whoop, then it must be a thriller. Woke up in blood, so I must be a killer. Way out when it fades out.
Dang.
That's when the moonlight on the full rise is going down. But they can't stop her and dangerous, so don't.
Nah, no play with them, boy. Yo, I ain't gonna lie. I look-y was feeling to hear the song again with y'all, so yeah. This a little personal, a little bit real. Every time I hear the song, bro, hey, XG is so underrated, but they getting the recognition they deserve, though. You feel what I'm saying? So it's crazy, though, man. That's a good group.
That's when the moonlight on the full rise is going down. But they can't stop her and dangerous, so don't play with us, could be dangerous. So run a bit of sound, the sound, cause that's how we howl. That's how we howlin', rowlin'.
That's my part, that little who. Y'all already know. If y'all see my last reaction to XG, man, look, y'all know that little who. That's fire, man.
That's how we howlin', rowlin', wildin'. That's how we howlin', growlin', wildin'. Where are you now?
So they hunger get bigger and bigger.
Moonwalk on a rooftop like a roof. I move like that Geograph with a zoom shot. Hoorah, huddle up, bring in the whole squad. These places not for you to reenact. First down and you know how we adapt. Touchdown and you know how we impact. Caught the throw, got the go. Rewind the video, do it when you get it, run it back.
That girl said pop the go, we got to go. Wait, what she said? Hold on. She said pop the.
Huddle up, bring in the whole squad. These places not for you to reenact. First down and you know how we adapt. Touchdown and you know how we impact. Caught the throw, got the go. Rewind the video, do it when you get it, run it back.
That's fine.
You unleash the beast. Call it Wolfgang cause we back to feast. Call it first hand, a new type of breed. Never sees, I got mouths to feed. Listen to hear the howling. Sound of a couple thousand hours now to feel surrounded. I'm moving like
man, low-key though. Every time I hear XG song, bro, every time I hear Howlin', it's like I'm hearing it for the first time though. That's a good thing. You know what I'm saying? Like I wanna hear a song, I wanna hear it like I'm listening to it. If I listen to a song again, I want to listen to it like it's my first time hearing it over and over. That just make you want to just keep listening to music, man. Y'all, if you know that feeling, you know that feeling.
Type of breed never sees, I got mouths to feed. Listen to hear the howling. Sound of a couple thousand hours now to feel surrounded. I move for hours, root like a group of wilders. No choice but to choose the violence. Can break out, nice game round. There's no weather. It's close to midnight and the night skies come hunting down. But they can't stop or dangerous. If you anger us, could be dangerous. So run if you ever sound.
Yeah, pressure.
That's how we howl.
No.
That's how we howlin'.
No, I see that part. I did not. Oh no, okay, that's the choreography dance. I gotta remember. That's crazy. Even a background dance is fun.
That's how we howlin'.
Nah, that's fun. that's a joke though, but I would have think they kin to like wolves the way they pulled this music video off, bro. Like they acting like a real life wolf. Like, bro, I don't know, bro. It's so fire with it. Though. They really fire with it.
We're the strongest ones survive. Too late to run away. You better kneel and pray. We're howling in the
But looking good at the same time with it.
That's how we howling, growling, wildin'. That's how we howling, growling, wildin'. Where are you now?
Where are you now? What? Then the moon switching. Y'all want to see the moon every time they move? The moon getting covered up like it's the full moon, then half moon, then yeah, that's fine. No, that's crazy, bro. No, that's crazy right there. XG, y'all. They love that little man. Look, that's insane. That was insane. Crazy. Like always. If y'all made it to the end, subscribe, smash the like, put the fire emojis for my XG supporters and fans inside the comments. I want to see y'all inside there for the XG group, man. More offers on the way forever. But I'm gonna catch y'all boys and girls in the next one. Today enough for the rock out. I enjoyed it. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. I'm gonna see y'all next one today. I'm out.